Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is one more video on page numbering if you haven't watched the other ones. I've created 80 pages, and no matter what page you're at, it tells you what page you're on. I thought I'd give a little insight to what's down here. This one arrow just moves one page at a time. The arrow with the stop like a bar will go to the end. Same thing, you can go backwards or go all the way back to the finish by doing that. Now, I've got 83 pages and I want to go to page 52, but I don't want to go, go to 83 and then go backwards. So what you can do is go to layout again, go to page, type in 52, hit enter, and you're on 52, and then there's 53 and 51. Now, I wasn't going to make a video just for that, so I had to add a little bit more to it to make it work. And this will do my laser people no good. We would never use that many pages. But you could, I've got 83 pages, and I don't want to delete them one at a time or close the program down. Delete pages. I'm going to delete page 1 to page 80. And the only thing I've got left are 3 pages because it didn't delete the last 3 that I made. Now there is a way to delete them, it just, other way, but we can just go to layout, delete page, and delete 1 through 3. And we can't do that because we need a page. So let's go to layout, delete a page. Let's just delete 2 through 3. You only got 1 page left. Take away your number and you got a blank screen. Of course, this is paper size. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.